Tired of your pins getting 0 views? Learn the exact Pinterest SEO strategy to rank #1 and get discovered. So here's the thing. Pinterest is basically a search engine, just like Google. And if you're not optimizing for it, your amazing content is just getting buried. Today, we're going to walk through keyword research, optimizing your pin details, and tracking performance. Let's start. All right, first things first, go ahead and open Pinterest in your browser. Any browser works. Just get it up on your screen. Now, click on that search bar at the top of the page. You know, the one that says search and has a little magnifying glass icon. Go ahead and click right in there. Type in a broad keyword related to your niche. So if you're in the food space, maybe something like healthy dinner recipes. If you're a crafter, try easy DIY home decor. Just pick one general topic to start. Now, here's where the magic happens. Look at the auto suggestions Pinterest gives you as you type. Pinterest is literally telling you what people are searching for. These suggestions are pure gold because they're based on real user behavior. Pay special attention to the long tail ones, like healthy dinner recipes for weight loss or easy DIY home decor on a budget. Those are the gems that are less competitive but highly targeted. Go ahead and write down the most relevant keywords from that list. I like to keep a simple notes app or even a piece of paper handy. Jot down 5 or 6 of the best ones. These are going to be the backbone of your pin's success. Okay, with your keywords ready, it's time to create. Click the Create button. It's usually a big plus sign icon somewhere at the top right or top left of your screen. Then, from the dropdown, click Pin. That's the one we want. Now, upload your image or video. This is your visual content, so make sure it's high quality and eye-catching. Vertical images work best. Think 2:3 ratio, because they take up more real estate in the feed. And if you're using a video, keep it under 15 seconds for best results. Here comes the most important part. For your title, craft something that uses your primary keyword. But don't just stuff the keyword in there. Write a title that actually sounds natural and compelling. Something like 10 healthy dinner recipes for weight loss in under 30 minutes. See how the keyword feels organic? That's what we're going for. Now for the description. This is where you weave in all those other keywords you wrote down. And here's the thing. Don't just list them like a robot. Write a real, helpful description that naturally includes those phrases. For example, you might say, looking for easy weeknight meals? These healthy dinner recipes for weight loss are perfect. They're all budget-friendly and use simple ingredients you probably already have. See how the keywords flow naturally? That's the sweet spot. Next, choose a relevant board for your pin. Pick a board that's directly related to the topic. If your pin is about healthy dinners, don't throw it on a board about fashion. Pinterest uses board relevance as a ranking signal, so be specific. Once that's done, click that Publish button. Your pin is now live and in the system. But we're not done yet. The most overlooked step is monitoring your performance. Go to your Pinterest analytics and find that new pin. Give it at least 24 to 48 hours to collect data. Then look at your impressions, your saves, and your outbound clicks. If something's working, double down on that keyword strategy. If not, tweak your title or description and try again. And that's it. From pins that rarely get seen to pins that rank high in Pinterest search and drive consistent traffic. It's not about luck. It's about understanding how the algorithm thinks. And now you do. Go ahead and try it on your next pin. You've got this.